Hey folks, prompt is the new code. Yes, you heard it right. Prompt is the new code. I also came across this in the public domain. If you recollect, OpenAI has introduced what's called generative pre-trained transformer model called ChatGPT, which is based on generative AI technology, where interaction with ChatGPT is based on what is called prompts, which is also known as prompt engineering. And it is an integral and important part of how you interact to leverage the ChatGPT capabilities itself. So in this context, some people I've seen in the public domain say prompt is the new code. I'm going to see if in this video, if there is any merit in this at all. I'm also going to share my thoughts and perspectives on this, if prompt is indeed the new code or it is not. Let me take an example. If I say prompt is the new code, it is like saying prompt engineering is equal to software engineering. What do you think? How does it sound when I say prompt engineering is equal to software engineering? To my mind, honestly speaking, it is the false equivalence, to say the least. Nope. I would very vocally say prompts can never be the substitute, and prompt engineering is not same as software engineering, and therefore prompt is not the code. I'll also support my claim with some examples. Please hear me out and then continue to watch this. I would say first up, prompt is a prompt, code is a code, period. Why? You must wonder. Please continue listening to this. When I think of code in the context of software system, it predominantly boils down to precision, consistency, unambiguous nature, scalability, debugging, testing, optimization, reliability, etc., etc. Therefore, these dimensions form the structural foundation of a complex software system. When we talk about prompts, particularly in terms of natural language, one must recognize that natural language is inherently ambiguous and hence can be interpreted differently, which could lead to undesired results. What this implies to my mind is that it would be highly challenging to troubleshoot the AI system behavior driven by prompts, since the behavior is predominantly influenced by the training data and other opaque, complex mechanisms, which makes it harder to remediate. I am yet to see a use case or implementation of scalability and managing the complex software system in the public domain through prompts alone. Any examples you can think of, please leave it in the comments down below. It requires, in fact, a systematic approach. And this is a function of robust code, not necessarily the robust prompt. Hope you get the drift. Prompts at best can complement the code and is not the new code. If you agree with what I said, please let me know. If you disagree, please let me know as well. I would look forward to seeing your thoughts, your perspectives. Hope this video makes some sense and you see some value. If so, please give it a like and share it with your network and friends. I'll see you in my next video.